AI Thesis Writing Tool 2025. Write faster with Intudo for you. Tired of chasing good help? Whether you need a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo for you has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. Fast, reliable, and way smarter than your average freelancer. No more late nights Googling. Just results that impress. Why get stuck in the internet jungle? Go smart, go Intudo for you. Messy folder of PDFs. A dozen tabs open. The cursor blinking on a blank Word doc. And if you're a student juggling deadlines, you're not alone. That's why platforms like IntudoForYou.com exist. Backhand index pointing right to legally support your academic journey. Without cutting corners, and without the stress. Loudspeaker, and hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now for more amazing videos just like this, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a smart shortcut. Direct hit. Let's dive in. A literature review is the first real step in writing a thesis, research paper, or even a review article. Most students still go to Google Scholar, type their topic, and scroll endlessly, not knowing which papers are most relevant, reliable, or cited. That alone can eat up days or even weeks. But not anymore. Let me introduce you to a game-changing tool, Consensus. An AI search engine that helps you find high-quality, peer-reviewed papers backed by real research. It's like if Google Scholar and ChatGPT had a research baby. You can create an account here and also use it free. You type a question like, test tube, are nanoparticles useful in creating superhydrophobic antibacterial fabrics? Consensus scans over 200 million research papers. Then gives you a list of highly cited, relevant papers. Study snapshots summarizing outcomes, methods, results. A consensus meter showing how many papers agree, disagree, or are unsure. At IntudoForYou.com, we guide students through tools like this every day. Ethically. Efficiently. And yes, completely stress-free. Turn on Synthesize, and you'll get a smart summary based on real research. Switch on Cite paper, save it for later use, copy links, and etc. Consensus delivers results grounded in academic sources, not just internet fluff. You can also card index dividers, save papers to organized lists. Outbox tray, export citations to your reference manager. Magnifying glass, tilted right, filter by year, citations, open access, even country, or method. Let me be real with you. We've seen dozens of students at IntudoForYou.com because it's the website that help you better than any AI model go from stuck to submitted in just a few days. Real progress. Real peace of mind. No burnout. And hey, if you need personalized thesis help or want experts to guide you through these tools, just head to IntudoForYou.com. Our support team is ready. Let the tech do the heavy lifting. Let us help you do it right. Your thesis doesn't have to be stressful, scattered, or slow. It can be strategic, supported, and done the smart way. Brain use tools like Consensus. Graduation cap, work with mentors at IntudoForYou.com. Bell and subscribe for more AI-powered academic tips every week. Because AI for thesis writing in 2025 isn't the future. It's the now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to yours channel. Thanks for watching.